What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Miguel and welcome back to Miguel EDC. Today we're going to be unboxing this knife here off of Amazon. This is not one of those brands that I think most people are familiar with right off the bat. However, I think that for what's in here, right, I think you guys might be quite impressed, especially for the price. So it's going to be a pretty interesting knife unboxing here. You can kind of get an idea of the shape of what's in the box. This is called the Flissa pocket knife, for lack of a better naming. I hope that, really wish that they had given it a better name. It will make I guess the marketing a little bit easier, but it's gonna be pretty interesting. This guy here has a D2 blade, right, and a G10 handle, so it's gonna be pretty good. And it actually comes in on Amazon at around $27.99, so around 28 to 30 bucks with tax included. So that's pretty neat right there. Again, guys, affiliate links for this guy here are gonna be in the description, so make sure to check those out. Whenever you use affiliate links, it does help out the channel. We may receive a small compensation, no extra cost to you, so it is definitely up to you. You know, if you want to, right, use those affiliate links. With that being said, let's cut open here into the box, right? And right off the bat, as soon as you open it up, you have a nice little marketing, you know, thank you note, right? Thank you for buying our knife. And again, for the price point, you're not going to expect a really fancy packaging, but that's about it, right? The knife itself, and pretty much like a mold print where the knife goes, and that's pretty much it for what's in the box. So let me close that out of the way. And let's take a look at the knife itself here, right? Boom, here it is, guys. This is the Flissa folder knife with the axis lock. So that means it's gonna be able to open like that. And I gotta tell you, the opening on this guy is ridiculous, right? For the price, about less than 30 bucks, right? This is how fun and easy it is to open and close, right? Just like that. You can do that all day. It is so smooth. Flick it open right there, right, with your thumb over and over again. Again, it opens and closes so easily. I'll be doing a review of this guy once I EDC it for about a week or two, right? So make sure to subscribe and like the video if you haven't already. So again, just to recap, we have G10 scales on this guy. We have a D2 blade. It's also printed right there in the blade. It's made in China, of course. So I mean, that justifies and I guess makes sense for the price we're getting. Like this nice little red round portion over the pivot screw right there. That's pretty neat. And so again, you could open it with the axis lock right here. Again, you can see how smooth that is. All right, you can thumb open it right here to the side. Oh, that was a very bad attempt. All right, there it is. And if you swing it a little bit more, it opens really good. Spidey flick, reverse flick, boom. That's probably the most satisfying one. Boom, look at that. Just hear it. I gotta tell you guys, for the price, I mean, I'm loving it already. It does have somewhat of a deep carry pocket clip, as you can see there. It will show just this midge out of your pocket, but I mean, that's pretty deep carry for the most part. It does have the Flissa, you know, branding right there. That's the brand. And aside from that, I mean, again, for what you're getting, right, this knife is awesome for the price. I don't think it necessarily resembles anything else that I've seen. I like the fact that it kind of had this Cybertruck looking shape. I was like, you know, that looks interesting. I'm definitely very you know, attracted to that design, right? And of course you can see the opening right here. This whole portion is quite huge, so it allows you to get your thumb or your middle finger, right, for the different flipping action right there, right? Look at that, guys, butter smooth. Boom. Boom. Of course, you could open it slowly if you wanted to. All right, certainly do that. Okay, and I was going to say about the design, right? So yeah, it reminded me a lot of the Demco AD20 in a way, right? It's kind of like a more slimmed down profile than the Demco AD20.5 and the shark's foot blade. But yeah, let me put this bad boy here. That's going to be a different video, by the way. I'm excited for that one, share with the review with you guys. But again, going back to the Flissa, right? Folding. Again, I really wish they had given it another name so it would be easier to identify among the Flissa brand. But again, D2 blade, right? Axis lock, G10 handles, right? Deep carry for the most part. And again, around less than 30 bucks. Less than 30 bucks, right? Let me know what you guys think in the comments, right? If it's worth it. Again, look out in the channel for the review. Subscribe if you haven't already to check that out. Should be coming out in about a week or two. All right, look at this, right? Look at this blade, right? It is nice and smooth for the opening action, right? All right, so I'm super excited for this one. Again, I'll EDC it for a little bit, get back to you guys with the updates with some feedback. But I mean, so far it is definitely leaving a very good first impression, that is for sure, right? Aside from that, again, back in the box, that's pretty much all there is. So the knife itself, and if you buy it on Amazon, that's the beauty of it, right? If you test it out and you don't like it, again, about less than 30 bucks. They do have some options there for a liner lock. They have a mini 2.5 inch blade, right? This one is 4.25 inches, right? Without going too much in detail, saving that for the review later on. But again, if you don't like it, you can always return it. That's the beauty of Amazon. So check out the affiliate link once again in the description. It does help out the channel if you use that link, or if you start your Amazon purchases using that link below. Hope you guys really enjoyed this one. If you made it to the end, you're the real MVP. Hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one, either this one or this one. Peace.